Today we are going to work on lesson 4.10, adding three two-digit numbers using the base 10 strategy. To begin, we have to quick draw our three two-digit numbers. First, we will start with 23. 23 has two tens and three ones. Next, we will quick draw the number 41. 41 has four tens and one one. Finally, we will quick draw the number 17. 17 has one 10 and seven ones. Once you are finished quick drawing your numbers, you are going to count up the ones in the ones place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones in the ones place. Since we have more than 10 ones in the ones place, we are going to regroup. We are going to bundle 10 of our ones up and regroup them into 110. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we are going to bundle those 10 ones up into a 10 rod. Be sure to cross out your 10 ones so you don't recount them. Now you're going to count the leftover ones you have. 1. We have 1 1 in our ones place. Now we're going to count how many 10s we have in our tens place. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 10s in our tens place. That gives us the sum of 81. And that is how we add three two-digit numbers using the base 10 strategy.